Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best tire chains on Amazon. As the weather turns for most of the country, few are adequately geared up for the wilds of winter. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Track Grabber Tire Traction Device. Looking to save time while remaining safe on the road? Consider the Track Grabber Tire Traction Device. Unlike other snow and ice gripping solutions, this option installs in mere minutes. Instead of covering the entire tire with a layer of chains, it features a single strap that wraps around the tire laterally. The set comes with 4 straps, one for each wheel, and fits tires up to 40 inches. You can find these devices for trucks and SUVs as well as larger vehicles. The strap attaches via a D-clip closure which you tighten after running it through the tire. After it's in place, you can get unstuck quickly. Plus, unlike standard chains, it won't create issues if you hit a dry patch of road. An enhancement to your winter tires, the Track Grabber makes your vehicle more winter-ready. Bear in mind that these chains are not a preventative measure. If you know that the truck is likely to get stuck and that you won't be handling dry roads, it's better to go with metal chains. These ice gripping devices are better to keep in your truck as a part of your emergency kit for roadside repairs. Number 2. Peerless Chain Auto Track Passenger Chains. If you're looking for a set of chains that you can use year after year, the Peerless Chain Auto Track Passenger Chains are a worthy candidate. Manufactured using polycarbonate material, these chains include large, well-structured links that are built to resist impact. At 3.8 mm for the cross chains and a 1.2 cm profile, these passenger vehicle chains fit multiple tire sizes. In fact, the wide compatibility rating and self-tightening abilities are where the real value shines through. Users report that even with no experience setting up tire chains, these are easy to get into place. There's no need to retighten them, and, because of the diamond pattern, they center on the wheel automatically. At over 11 pounds, these chains are heavier than most other selections, helping promote durability. One thing to keep in mind is that the value of these chains shows up over the long term. It might be a bit more of an upfront investment, but these chains can last for years. Instead of replacing your chains frequently, you can hang on to these over the long term. Number 3. AutoSock 697 Tire Chain Alternative. If your area is not prone to lengthy winters, the AutoSock 697 tire chain alternative is definitely worth looking into. They are made to serve as a temporary way to improve your tire's traction. Unlike standard chains, these wraps go over the whole tire with a mesh-like material that stretches to fit. Because they consist of textile instead of metal, there is no risk of scratching your tires, rims, or wheel bed. Slip them into place on front or rear tires. Once in position, a rough textile covers the part of the tire that contacts the ground. The remainder of the fabric is a breathable weave that protects your rims and uses crossing straps to hold steadily in position. Both lightweight and machine washable, you can use these chain replacements whenever snow is in the forecast and remove them when the ground is dry once again. Number 4. Koenig Snow Chains. When you're contending with both challenging roads and slippery surfaces, the tension on Koenig Snow Chains is ideal. The manual adjustments let you precisely install this set of 2 chains on a wide range of tires. With a clearance of 12 mm, these chains don't risk any damage to your wheel wells. Requiring little work to install them, these chains slip on easily and tighten with limited effort. Made out of high-quality alloy, these chains grip easily into ice and snow. However, the small acute angles on the diamond pattern make them suitable for asphalt surfaces as well. Receiving certification from TÜV, translating to tested for safety, these chains are a low-effort, high-reward option. Earning an honorable mention for their wide compatibility and clever structure, if you drive a car or a truck, these are a terrific option. Number 5. Glacier Passenger Cable Tire Chain Set. The Glacier Passenger Tire Chain Set is designed to fit with any tire between 14 and 20 inches. They fit seamlessly onto the tire, installing quickly and holding steadily in position. Adhering to all legislation relating to road safety and traction requirements, these chains are safe for normal use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.